Myself KM Sharma. I am the proprietor of Supreme Vinyl Products. We are making some PVC compounds and colored master batches. These compounds are being supplied to various automotive manufacturers who are supplying material to the Honda, Maruti and other automotive manufacturers. We had been dealing with Power2SME for the last 7-8 years. We are buying PVC resin from them, and this is one of the major input of our product. Price was the main deterrent, and secondly the regular availability of the material was also one of the major problems. There were interruptions, but when we associated with Power2SME, we had been getting material regularly and a good product, standard products at a competitive price. We had been buying around 20 to 25 tons at the moment. We are buying on credit actually. Advantage is that we are getting a competitive price which help us in business. The prices which we are getting is more attractive than the other suppliers because we are getting a benefit of around 5% on our purchases, and this helps a lot in our business. We are getting around 20 lakhs per month. We got around 5% price reduction as compared to other suppliers. And this is the overall benefit which we got as far as the basic prices and the interest part. Yeah, I will definitely, whenever I come in contact with the people and I tell them that we always get price benefit out of it, and we get good material, good stuff also, and regular supplies. That's the main advantage, and for that reason I always recommend that one should buy from the Power2SMEs.